Good evening, everyone. It's safe to say that this is the blizzard of 2018. Look at this. There's white everywhere. So far it has snowed over a foot, as we can see here. Oh, watch your step. 1, 2. Look at that madness. Here's my hand for comparison. It's got to be at least 2 of my hands tall. They look like little cakes.
Let's go! That's a
And the snow is definitely sticking, which means that it is perfect for throwing snowballs. And here we got the quad. Now, something that I haven't ever seen before in 4 years here. We got a giant snowman, which is in fact taller than I am, and an igloo. What's inside? Whoa! Whoa! This is really neat. I wonder if they had things to sell in here, like a mini bar or something. This is a cool idea. It looks like an item shop from The Legend of Zelda. I think I'm gonna end it right here under the watchful gaze of the snowman. So, have a good one, stay warm, take care, kick ass.